Hey, I hope you have an awesome day. In this video we're going to be drawing Bobby the... I was going to say Bobby the bobfish, but Bobby the jellyfish. And who is Bobby the jellyfish? Well, Bobby the jellyfish is this little character that Natasha had made just out of little bits of paper, and we've got some sparkly things for tentacles, and he's wearing a top hat because it's a fancy jellyfish. That's right, so that's the character that we thought, oh, this is really cool. So we're going to draw that today, so I hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Ooh. You'll be back later. Okay, so we've got our paper and we've got our marker, or you can have paper or, okay. Alright, so we've got our paper ready and we've got a marker. You can use markers, or you can use pencils or crayons or whatever you like. Alright, so first of all, to draw Bobby, we're going to draw Bobby's his head or his body, because jellyfish is just one big lump of jelly. So we're going to draw a little curved line here, kind of in the middle of the page, kind of like this. And that will kind of, his body will sit there above that, and then below that we'll draw some tentacles later. Alright, so now we're going to draw his head, and it's kind of a head and body in one, and it's just a giant curve go around like that. Good. And it can be any shape you want. You can make a big shape or little shape. It's jellyfish, so kind of wobbly. Anyway, alright, so we're going to draw a little bit underneath the bottom here. That's where his tentacles come out. And basically going to draw a nice little curve there, and I'm going to draw these little bumps like that. Again, you can do it any way you like. I've done like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do 3 or 5 or whatever. Cool. Alright, so let's draw some face on Bobby, the jellyfish. Now, first we're going to draw a little nose in the middle, and we just drawn, a bit of a triangle nose.
It looks like a pumpkin nose, like
it does. Yeah, it does. But you can do any shape you like. And then we're going to draw some eyes on the side here. Nice, big round eyes. Oh, and you can just draw some pupils in the middle. And I'm going to colour them in black. I'm going to just leave a little spot there, so it looks like he's got a bit of a reflection in his eye. Cool. And he had some eyebrows as well, so we're going to draw some kind of curved round eyebrows just above his head, above his eye, and same on the other side there. Great, and we'll draw his mouth. He's got a big smiley mouth. He's kind of grinning, showing his teeth. Of course, in real life, jellyfish don't have teeth, but this is a made-up character. So you can do anything you like. And we draw a line in the middle. So that's kind of at the top and the bottom teeth. And then we draw some vertical lines. I'll just do 3 lines there. And that shows the separation between the teeth. Alright, and he was wearing a hat. Of course, a little top hat, because he's Mr. Fancy Jellyfish. And we're just going to draw the bottom of the hat there like this. Now you can draw any type of hat that you like. We've just drawn a top hat. Cool. Yeah, and then just a line there in the center. It's got like a ribbon or a band around it, which we'll colour in a little bit later. It's looking really cool. Alrighty, and what else was he's got some rosy cheeks. So just below the eye, there's a bit of space there on each side. We're just going to draw a bit of an oval. And we'll colour those in a little differently. Alright, so that's Bobby's head and his body, because it's jellyfish. And now we're going to draw its tentacles, and this is where you can have lots of fun, because jellyfish tentacles are all different shapes and sizes, and they're doing all different funny things, so you can kind of draw it in any way you like. So I'm going to draw some long ones going up the top here, and then some other ones going down here. Might draw some long ones, short ones, curly ones, straight ones, all that sort of cool stuff. And it can be any shape and size, it doesn't really matter. Well, there we go, and we've done, and we've drawn lots and lots of tentacles again, all different. You've done different tentacles to me, which is cool. And but yeah, you can do it any shape or length or size or curly bits in there. You can have a lot of fun with that. All right, so next step is to colour in. All right, we'll see you soon. And we're back. We've finished colouring in, and what I've done is I have kind of followed the same sort of colours as the original character of the pink and the red. But what I've done is the tentacles, I've made them all rainbow colours, and because he's extra fancy, I gave him a gold tooth as well. And I put lots and lots of highlights because he's kind of made of jelly and he's underwater, so he kind of is a bit shiny and reflects a lot of light. And what have you done with yours?
For the eyes, I did a bit of details, and for the tentacles, I shaded some grey pencil over it.
Yeah, I really like what you've done with the eyes. It's super, super detailed there, which is really cool.
And I did a fish.
Yes, I was about to say you've got a little fish down there as well. And that's pretty cool because what you can do is you can add all other little undersea details and make it look like a whole scene that's underwater. Cool, alright, are you happy with your drawing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I think it's probably one of the more complicated drawings that we've done recently, but they've turned out really well. Good job. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Hope you had lots of fun. Check out our channel. We've got lots of other drawing videos for you to enjoy and follow along with. And we'll see you again next time.
Bye.
Bye.